HP's multi-jet fusion technology produces quality, functional parts at a production speed which is up to 10 times faster than today's competing products. Unlike the slow point processes of some current technologies, HP's multi-jet fusion technology processes parts in 2 fast, area-wide passes to achieve top-speed part production. The process begins by applying a layer of material in a work area. In the opposite direction, in one continuous pass, we print fusing and detailing agents across the full working area. This pass combines the printing with the fusing energy, and the process is then completed. HP's proprietary architecture is capable of printing 30 million drops per second along every single inch of bed width, enabling extreme precision and dimensional accuracy.